saw that big branch fell. See all these branches over here? Branches, branches, branches.
It's too wet. I can see everything. The camera can't really. Here, I'm gonna go for the front. Oh my god. What did you say, there was a tree that was just like falling apart?
Oh, it was. The wind stopped a little bit though.
Oh, that didn't sound good. Say, can I just roll out my window?
No.
Give me it. Clear it off. I wish I had windshield wipers, like this little button to roll down. I just hit it and it activate windshield wipers. There's a little branch. Let's see if not. I don't want to get hit.
Smell it? You smell the eucalyptus?
Yeah, it looks almost like if there's a little curve right here that's picking that up, and it's all just grass. That's just, not grass, leaves. It looked like it was one of these things right here, but it was just a bunch of branches. Mostly from these trees though. I mean these back here. Can I jump up front or no?
Probably. Holy shit, look at that.
Oh my god. No way.
I don't like what you're doing this way.
50 million pictures right here. I just took like 70 pictures. No way.
I think we're gonna have to turn around here.
You think? Someone's gonna lose their front tree. Let me take my seatbelt off for a second. Can I jump up front?
Sure.
No way. I need to post this, can I?
Yeah.
Look at that.
You got a video?
Yeah. Boo. No way. Now I can film it better. I can film it better. Oh, yeah, right here.
I saw that big one came down.
No way! So it was one of these pine trees just completely collapsed. Do it again, do it again. There. We're so dangerous right now. We're gonna get like 5,000 hits. I hope. I need to think of a name for the video. Biggest rainstorm in 11 years. Going for 4 days. And it's only the first. I don't know, it might get worse. Oh, look at him. I feel bad. I feel bad for that person. Sorry, but no one gets a look at us. We are right by Bancroft, right? we're right by Braincraft, whatever it's called, that middle school. I don't know, my sister goes there, but I don't know the name. Your daughter. It's just gonna be a little. I don't know what the point of that was. You can see my face. See? It's in the mirror, totally. I'm gonna make this 15 minutes, but I'm probably not gonna make it that long. Probably just stop it, maybe.